Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Marry me, shrimp, and penne pasta. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. Crushed tomatoes, minced garlic, fresh chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, Hungarian paprika, sour cream, extra virgin olive oil, chicken broth, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, the shrimp. I've already washed it, cleaned it, and deveined it. Diced onions and penne pasta. And you can use whatever pasta you like. Let's get to making the Marry Me shrimp. First thing is, we take some salt, add it to this bowl, black pepper, Hungarian paprika, then we mix everything up together. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, this is what we do next. I have a skillet here, and I'm going to turn it on medium high. I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan. We give it a minute or so to let it heat up. Now I'm going to add the shrimp to the pan.
So this dish is similar to like paprika,
Yes.
but not exactly the same.
No. It's like similar to Hungarian paprika, yes. Now we're going to let it saute for a minute on each side. Now I'm going to flip it to the other side and let it saute on this side for about a minute also.
Those are browning pretty nicely.
Yes, it is. And after this, I'm going to take them out. Now we're going to add the garlic, the onion, and the sun-dried tomatoes. This is another quick and easy dish. Now we're going to let this saute up for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the remaining Hungarian paprika to the pan. The chicken broth, the crushed tomatoes, and we're going to let this simmer together for about 7 minutes. Now let's see how the sauce is coming along. Okay, I think it's ready to add in the sour cream now. Gonna stir this up.
You could also do this with heavy cream, but this is a little bit more healthier this way, right?
Well, it's light sour cream. I guess you could use light heavy cream also.
Or you mean rather light cream? You mean?
Yeah, light cream. You're right. Now we're gonna let this here simmer together for 1 minute.
So you putting the shrimp back in the skillet now?
Yeah, the shrimp goes in now. Let the shrimp jump into the pan. We mix this up. And now we let the pasta jump into the pan.
Would you say this is a quick weeknight dinner?
Yeah, you want something different and exciting. You come home and make this quick dish.
It doesn't take that long, it seems. And
About 30 minutes in all.
it went by pretty quick.
Maybe 37 minutes because you boil the pasta according to the box direction. Whatever pasta you use, you follow that direction. But in all, without the pasta cooking, it takes 30 minutes to make. Now we're going to add the spinach. Now let's see if it's ready to serve up.
Looks pretty good so far.
Yes, it is. Ready to serve up. Now you serve a little fresh parsley over the top. And there you have it. Marry me shrimp served with penne pasta. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.